Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you how you can do this freehand lace nail art for beginners. So they've got this card now, which I thought I would highlight to you. They do other things other than obviously selling gel polish, so I thought I would highlight this to you, so you know this might be something that you're looking out for, you know, maybe if you're a nail tech. And another thing that I want to highlight to you is that some of the polish names have changed, and the only reason why I'm highlighting this to you is just say you've got like a favorite polish that you want to reorder, and then you're looking on the website and it's a completely different name. Like some of them it's going to be obvious, for instance like Cool Mint Convertible, but Sweetheart and Plush Blush Teddy, you wouldn't necessarily think it's the same polish. So they haven't changed all of the names, it's just some of them. So I just thought I'd highlight that to you just in case you know, you put off buying a polish because you think it's something different, but actually it's the same one. So for instance, this one is still called Electric Island, so that hasn't changed. Yeah, so I'm going to get into the tutorial now. So this is actually it comes across quite bright, like a bright blue maybe on camera, but it's actually a bit of a darker blue. I mean, it's still gorgeous. And I'm going to be applying it here over this natural nail tip. So it is such a very, you know, beautiful shade of blue. So if you're unsure how to prep your nail for a gel manicure, because prepping your nail is so important, I can leave a video where I go into it, you know, step by step, and I can leave a link in the top right hand corner for you to check out. So I'm just going to apply another coat now so it's more opaque. And then I'm going to be getting a white polish. This one is called Coconut. It did used to be called Cream Puff previously. And I'm just going to be doing a line down the nail. Obviously, if you can do this in one go, that's better for you. And I actually did it in one go off camera, but on camera it didn't quite happen, but this is what I'm doing. And then basically I'm going to be doing like 4 little arches going across this. So I will be putting in the corner on the screen when you need to cure, just so you're aware basically of when you need to cure the nail and when you don't need to cure the nail. So I'm just going to repeat that now, but just above the previous arches. And then you want to get like a small dotting tool, and then I am just going to be adding dots, going sort of like trying to keep it, you know, the same amount, the same distance apart, going all the way down this line. So I'm not going to be talking all the way through this tutorial because you can no doubt hear I'm not very well at the moment, and this voice is no doubt irritating you, so I'll just put the music on and it's quite self-explanatory what I'm doing. So obviously you could do that design over all of your nails if you wanted to, but if you wanted to change it up a little bit, then you could maybe do this design on some other nails like I have done. So basically I am doing like the same type of image, as in it's just arches and kind of little dots, but I'm just sort of doing this obviously around the cuticle area, as opposed to all over the nail. And then all that's left to do is apply your top coat. So I will show you with a glossy version first, and then I'll show you with a matte. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. You can see it's really easy to achieve, but I think it looks quite striking on the nail. If you do decide to recreate, please tag us in. Our Instagram details are on the screen. We would love to see your recreations. So this is it with a matte finish. I actually prefer it glossy. Normally I prefer it matte, but today I prefer it glossy, so let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. Please press that free subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and like I say, we always love to read your comments. So until next time, bye.